In this video, we're going to take a look at WE4 standard kinetic energy, and we're going to talk about the different ways that we could represent the motion of an object in terms of how much energy it has due to its motion. And that's what kinetic energy is. Kinetic energy is the energy associated with the motion of an object. There's a couple different ways to figure out kinetic energy. First of all, if you have an object that increases its speed, the faster the object moves, the more kinetic energy the object has. If we look at in terms of mass, the more mass an object has at a particular speed, the more kinetic energy it has. So when we talk about kinetic energy, it's related both to mass and velocity. The equation for kinetic energy is 1/2 mass times velocity squared. And we have the Ke being the symbol for kinetic energy, m for mass in kilograms, and our velocity in meters per second. And if you multiply these all out, you can find out what the kinetic energy of the system is. The relationship, so there is a relationship between kinetic energy and velocity, and that relationship is an exponential relationship. Let's go through and do an example of kinetic energy. So in this example, you have a 6.8 kilogram block that's sliding down a horizontal frictionless surface at a constant speed of 6 meters per second. Now I want to know what the kinetic energy of the block is. So if I list out my givens, I know the mass of the object, I know the velocity of the object, and I'm looking for my kinetic energy. So those variables match up very well with my kinetic energy equation. 1/2 mass times velocity squared. Plugging into that equation, 1/2 6.8 kilograms times 6 meters per second squared gives me a total kinetic energy of 122 joules.